Imagine the universe. This site is amazing. Acquire quality data, they can use high-end equipment, affordable, premium data, premium location, premium equipment. Hello everyone, this is Mundo Astronômico. My name is Vitor, and today I'm going to see RGB, processing RGB images, combine filters using Photoshop. If you are not subscribed to the Mundo Astronômico channel, subscribe now, and don't forget to click on this ring. The ring will notify you when we have new videos. I make videos in Portuguese, Brazilian Portuguese, and in English. Let's start it. If you like this video also, do the like button. It helps a lot. Let's see the green, the blue, and the red. Let's open everything on Photoshop. Let's select that and push to the Photoshop page. And this is process. This is the green channel, blue channel, and the red channel. Look, the vintage vinhetagem, the bad illumination is very seeable here. So let's try. Let's create file, new. Let's create the same size. This is, let me see, 3326 2504. Okay, white RGB 16 bits 400 pixels per inch, and okay. Process. Now we are going to use the green. Ctrl A, Ctrl C, go to channels, put only the green, Ctrl V. In the image is this. It's not ready already. Let's do the red. The red, Ctrl A, Ctrl C, Ctrl V. It's not ready yet. The blue, Ctrl A, Ctrl C, Ctrl V. Okay, the image is ready, but it's a lot of these colors is strange. In the next video, we are going to continue this process using this image. Thank you guys. This was a fast video about Photoshop RGB. Very simple, very simple. Thank you guys. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel and do the like button. Thank you guys.